before we pull over.
Okay.
Just past this driveway here, with the curb intact. Let's pull over. Here, over the shoulder, before you pull over. Nice. So now remember, you want to get the front tire on the crack,
Right.
and then let the back tire follow through. So you look over here, and then you look over here.
Okay.
So a little bit closer. See over here in the convex view? That's a little too much space. So you want to try to get it a little bit closer. Yeah. And a little bit closer. That's it. Good. That's ideal. Look at that space. You're nice and parallel to the curb with an equal amount of space between the curb and the front tire and the back tire. Same amount of space. Cancel your signal. Put it into neutral. There it is. Okay. And here you angle your wheels away from the curb, so to the left. All the way. As far as they go. And then without taking your foot completely off the brake, you just let it roll back a little bit, just a little bit off the brake, a little wee bit. You'll feel the back of this tire here touch the curb, and when you feel that little boom, and you can take your foot off the brake completely without it rolling anymore, then you're locked in place like this here, back of this tire. And then go ahead and finish it up. Go ahead and put it into
Super.
yeah. And engage parking brake. So now, okay, your wheels are angled all the way to the left. Before you do anything else, make sure that you straighten the wheels out first. Because you don't want to hit the gas and end up out in the opposite lane of traffic
Right.
when you take off. Right there, yeah. Okay. And then you want to get your vehicle ready for takeoff into drive first. That way now you can keep that smog thing together, SMO.